Good morning guys, it's Saturday and I'm 21 now. If you seem more sturdier, it's because Tim got me a tripod for my birthday, which I absolutely love. I'm not feeling too good. I didn't feel too good on my birthday either, so I've just been feeling really sick and I haven't been wanting to eat. I think I'm getting there now. So yeah, anyway, today I am off to Dad's, and then after I'll pick Tim up from work and we're going to go to the It's a Knockout for Alex Angels. And then I'm supposed to be going for a meal with Tim's sister for her birthday, but we'll see how I feel, because even at my meal I didn't eat anything, so I hope I get better soon because it's so annoying. So I'm off to Dad's now. I'll chat to you when I'm parked up. So I've just parked up. I forgot to say Dad moved it last weekend after Hula. So we're now in Fenny Stratford. Just had to think then. But I'll be walking up. So let's go.
You can see your boys.
Yeah.
There's your boys.
Oh, don't knock the camera.
Alright, Bobski. Alright, Georgie. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
Don't forget. Let's go get some treats. Treats. Right, Bob. Oh, Georgie.
You getting your treats?
Give me some treats, shall we? Sit. Sit. Bob. Good boy. George. George. We're off on a dog walk. Well, in a minute. Boys! George. So I'm back home from the boat now. Literally just got back. I picked him up from work and got to go to Alex Angel's. It's knockout. I mean, just so weak at the minute from being ill. So I've got to go. Got to force myself to get up and go. And then it's a meal later with Tim's sister for our 18th. Is it tomorrow?
Yeah.
Have you got a card? And a present?
I gave it to her already.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah.
So the next clip should be of us there, hopefully. I mean, it did start at 10, and now it's 2:30. Oh well, let's go.
One or two of them are a little bit apprehensive, so cheer them on. It'll make them feel a lot better. Are we ready? The first team we welcome in, oh, it's those youngsters. Keith, it's only the Trolls. Trolls! Come on, the Trolls, round the way, please. All the way down, as you go round, they'll give you a big round of applause. There you go. And there's plenty of power in that team. Oh, yes. Oh, like life. Like gazelles. Running. It's the Paw Patrols, come on! Paw Patrol! Yes, guys. Featuring Timmy Mallet. Oh, some mullet. Yes, Timmy Mullet. As we say, 3, 2, 1, knock out! First one, where you go? Power Rangers, Trolls, and Paw Patrol. Until the next one's going to set off. There's all the family and friends. Get back to the back of your team, sit yourselves down there, you know, get your power down. Come on, here we go, go, go. Quicker for the adults. Jesus. Yes, the dads down there building the clocks, keeping nice and dry. So look at them down there. Not below. Drop, drop, drop. Oh God, Swampy, grab hold of her! Yes!
And we're back. Tim had both of his cameras, although he only used this little one. Little one, woo! Well, the next one up from this one that I've got, I think it is. But I'll be getting ready in a minute to go to Tim's sister's birthday meal. Well, her birthday's not actually till tomorrow, but taking a picture of my camera. But yeah, we're going to go to Nando's. Hopefully I can eat this time, because I just couldn't for my meal. But yeah, tomorrow I might try and film what I got for my 21st birthday on here, but we'll see. I'll catch you whenever that'll be, because we'll be leaving in about an hour or two. What's the time? In about an hour and a half. Right, so we're off to Amy's birthday meal now, and I'll see what I'll film, but it might not be too much. So I'll see you in a bit. So we just got back from Amy's birthday meal. We went to Nando's in Bicester, which was nice, and I finally managed to eat something. So, yes. Oh yeah, Tim's... Oh yeah, I didn't get much... Well, I didn't actually vlog over there because it was so busy. Tim got a bit, so check out Tim Rayner on YouTube because he's editing his video now and I don't know when that'll be up. His other one from his walk around Buckingham, is it walk around Buckingham? No, today's... No. Which one?
Walk around
Which one?
Buckingham.
Okay. But yeah, so Tim's just editing his videos while I'm watching Eurovision. And I'm going to end it for tonight. I will see you in the morning. Night, guys. Morning, guys. There's a bit of a change of plan today. I'm going to go to Dad's boat and I don't know what we'll be doing. Might go around for a walk around Caldicot Lake like we did yesterday. Well, we didn't go round it all yesterday because I wasn't feeling up to it, but might do today or something. But I will let you know and I will talk to you once I'm there because I'll be leaving in a bit. Right, so I've just parked up, but I have a feeling that there's a boat going through the lock. So I might have to wait again to get across to the other side of the canal. So let's go and find out. So I'm back home now and I'm just about to go and clean my room because it's such a mess again, and then I'm going to start filming a what I got for my 21st birthday video, and then I'll be getting ready to go out to go and pick Nan up and Tim's mum and go for a meal. So I'll see you in a bit, probably once I've filmed, or I'll show you the setup of my film. But yeah. So I've just finished my main video. I keep wanting to say main channel, but I don't have another channel like Saffron does. But I've tidied it away. I was going to show you, but Tim came back. And now I'm going to get ready for the meal later. So we're just off out now. We're going to go pick up Nan and then off to the meal. So I might vlog in there, I might not. I'll see you in a bit. I've been back for a couple of hours now because it's actually 11 o'clock. Nearly forgot to end the vlog. But I've just had a bath and everything, washed my hair, ready for work. this week. But the meal was really lovely. It was with Nan and Tim's mum. They got on well, so all is good. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this weekend's vlog. Didn't really do too much apart from just like going to the boat and everything. Yeah, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next weekend. Bye guys!